Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly busy but never actually getting ahead? You're not alone. The truth is, we all have the same 24 hours. The difference lies in how we manage them. Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of time management. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete framework to take control of your schedule, boost your productivity, and finally create that work-life balance you've been searching for. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why time management actually matters. When you master your time, 4 incredible things happen. Number 1, increased productivity. You'll accomplish more in less time. Imagine finishing your work faster while producing better results. That's the power of effective time management. Number 2, better focus. You'll concentrate on what truly matters instead of getting pulled in every direction. This laser focus is what separates high achievers from everyone else. Number 3, reduced stress. When you feel in control of your schedule, anxiety melts away. No more last-minute scrambling or overwhelming to-do lists. And number 4, true work-life balance. You'll finally have time for both your professional ambitions and personal enjoyment. That's not a luxury. It's a necessity for long-term success and happiness. Now, let me introduce you to one of the most powerful prioritization tools ever created, the Eisenhower Matrix. This simple framework will revolutionize how you approach your tasks. Here's how it works. Every task falls into one of 4 categories. Category 1, urgent and important. These are your crises, deadlines, and emergencies. Do these first. No questions asked. Category 2, not urgent, but important. This is where magic happens. These tasks include planning, learning, building relationships, and strategic thinking. Most people neglect this category, but it's the key to long-term success. Schedule these tasks deliberately. Category 3, urgent but not important. These are interruptions, some phone calls, and many emails. They feel important because they're urgent, but they're not moving you forward. Delegate these whenever possible. Category 4, neither urgent nor important. These are your time wasters and distractions. Social media scrolling, unnecessary meetings, busy work. Eliminate these ruthlessly. Let's move on to the key principles of effective time management. These are the fundamentals that will guide everything else. Always set clear, specific, vague goals create vague results. Plan your day the night before. This simple habit alone can transform your productivity. Use the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. Focus on the 20% of activities that yield 80% of your results. This is about working smarter, not harder. Practice single tasking instead of multitasking. Research shows multitasking actually makes you less productive and more stressed. Give your full attention to one thing at a time. Learn to say no to non-essential tasks. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that matters. Protect your time fiercely. Take regular breaks to maintain your energy. Your brain isn't a machine. It needs rest to perform at its peak. Eliminate or minimize distractions. Turn off notifications. Close unnecessary tabs. Create an environment that supports deep work. And finally, review and adjust your schedule regularly. What gets measured gets improved. Weekly reviews help you stay on track and course correct when needed. Now let's explore 4 powerful techniques you can implement immediately. First, the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes with complete focus, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This technique leverages your brain's natural attention span and prevents burnout. Second, time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different tasks throughout your day. Treat these blocks like important meetings you can't miss. This creates structure and eliminates decision fatigue. Third, eat the frog. This quirky name comes from a Mark Twain quote. The idea is simple. Tackle your most challenging or important task first thing in the morning. When you eat the frog early, everything else feels easier. You'll carry momentum throughout your day. Fourth, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately rather than adding it to your list. This prevents small tasks from piling up and cluttering your mind. As William Penn wisely said, time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Let's change that. Here's a practical daily routine you can follow. In the morning, from 6 to 9 a.m., review your daily goals, tackle your most important task, and avoid checking emails immediately. That last point is crucial. Don't let other people's priorities hijack your morning. During midday, from 9 a.m. to noon, run focused work sessions using the Pomodoro technique and handle your scheduled meetings. Keep your energy high and distractions low. In the afternoon, from noon to 5 p.m., complete collaborative tasks, respond to communications, and review and adjust your schedule. This is when you handle the more social and reactive aspects of work. In the evening, from 5 p.m. onwards, plan tomorrow's tasks, reflect on your accomplishments, and prioritize personal time and relaxation. This evening planning sets you up for success the next day. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the common mistakes that sabotage time management. Avoid these traps at all costs. Not setting clear priorities. Without priorities, everything feels urgent. Failing to plan ahead. Hope is not a strategy. Trying to do everything yourself. Delegation is a superpower, not a weakness. Being a perfectionist with every task. Some tasks need excellence, others just need completion. Know the difference. Constantly checking notifications. This destroys your focus and fragments your attention. Not taking breaks. Rest is productive. Underestimating task duration. Always add buffer time. Tasks usually take longer than we think. And lacking a consistent routine. Structure creates freedom. Here's the ultimate truth about time management. It's not really about managing time at all. You can't control time. You can only control yourself. Time management is about managing your energy, your focus, and your priorities. Focus on your priorities, not just your activities. Being busy doesn't equal being productive. Choose intentionally. Act deliberately. And remember, every moment you waste is a moment you'll never get back. Start implementing these strategies today. Begin with just one technique. Master it, then add another. Small, consistent improvements compound into extraordinary results over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, please like this video and subscribe for more productivity content. Drop a comment below and tell me which technique you're going to try first. Here's to taking control of your time and creating the life you deserve. I'll see you in the next video.